Hello everyone, it's Amar Sincilla and welcome to my channel. The weather is still cool and the best way to warm you up is a bowl of soup. Today I want to show you how to make a delicious wonton soup, and it will definitely become one of your favorite go-to soups for the cooler weather. Here's the ingredients for the wonton soup. First of all, you'll need a broth. You can use chicken broth or vegetable broth, whatever you prefer. You can use store-bought or you can make it at home. The next thing you'll need is definitely wontons. I made these wontons and you can check out my recipe on how to make wontons. What we're gonna put in our wonton soup is some carrots, some celery, Napa cabbage, and also the leaves of the celery. They are very fragrant. We're gonna top it off with some spring onions and also some garlic chips. My chicken soup is boiling. I'm gonna add a little bit of sliced ginger to my soup to make it a little bit more fragrant and also to give it some heat. To the soup, we're gonna add these veggies. First of all, I'm gonna add some carrots because they take the longest to cook. Add some celery. Then I'm gonna add my Napa cabbage and then turn the heat off. Give that a little stir. For here, my water is boiling. I'm gonna just drop these little wontons into water and let that cook. And you can tell that the wontons are done once it's all cleared and cooked. On top, we're going to sprinkle some spring onions and then also some garlic chips. Here's your delicious bowl of wonton soup. Let's taste the soup. Oh, it's delicious. There's nothing like a warm bowl of soup on a cool weather day. I hope this inspired you to make wonton soup at home. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't done so yet, make sure you click that notification bell so that you'll be notified of every new episode that's uploaded. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.